Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to stash changes in Sourcetree step by step. Click the Stash button, add a clear message, and choose whether to include untracked files before saving. This lets you preserve work, switch branches, and keep your working tree clean. I will show how to list stashes, apply them selectively, and drop them when done, so you can manage temporary work with confidence and ease. Open Sourcetree, select your repository, and review modified files to decide what to stash. Click the Stash button, type a concise message, and tick the option to include untracked files if required. Press the Stash button to save your current work state without a commit. This keeps your working directory clean while preserving changes for later retrieval, making it easy to context switch without losing progress or clarity. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content and quick tips. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite I showed is great for reading anywhere and pairs nicely with focused coding sessions or commute time. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab yours if interested, and enjoy the convenience. Now let's get back to the video. To restore stashed changes, open the stash list, select the desired entry, and choose Apply or Pop to move changes back into your working copy. Use Apply to keep the stash for reuse or Pop to remove it after restoring. If a stash is no longer needed, use Drop to delete it permanently. I will demonstrate resolving simple conflicts and verifying files after applying so you can continue work smoothly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.